Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Gladia. In today's video, I will be making fried okra. If you're interested and you want to see how I made this, keep on watching and let's get started. In this pot, I have diced onions, garlic, peppers. I know you see it, chicken feet. You can use any kind of meat you have. I am adding some seasonings to the meat. Feel free to use any kind of seasonings you have. Later in the video, I will show you a bit of what I'm using. I'm going to add some water. I'm going to cover the pot and just let this steam. I am adding shrimp powder. This is optional. I am now adding the shrimp because I don't want the shrimp to overcook. I will give this a stir and let it cook more. I am going to start frying the fish. I am using olive oil, trying to keep it healthy. You can use any kind of oil you have. I am going to season the fish, fry it, and set it aside. I tested the oil with a slice of onion to see how hot it is before adding the fish. The fish is ready. I will set it aside and start frying the okra. I love using fresh okra when I am making fried okra sauce. If you have frozen okra, that will also work. I am adding sliced onions and I'm also adding some seasonings. I am adding some tomato paste. This is optional. I am also adding the broth from the meat. I'm just gonna let this simmer till the liquid reduces before adding the rest of the meat. I am now adding the fish. After adding the fish, I will let this cook for about 5 more minutes. Then it's eat time. The sauce turned out really good. As you can see, I'm about to dig in, okay? I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.